What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Wallstreet Bets stocks. So if you guys don't know, around 2:45 a lot of the Wallstreet Bets stocks started going up, and it actually, like example, GameStop actually halted right here, so that's why you see a gap. A lot of these stocks have been going up, and there's a possibility that the stock may start going up for the rest of the day, after hours, and go on for tomorrow, and we don't know how long this will last. Hopefully Robinhood doesn't go ahead and block off the buying like they did in the past. So in regards to the stock, how can this affect you? This can affect you in different ways. So if you do own other stocks, there's a possibility people will start selling out of those stocks and transferring their money over here if it does become as big as it was for the round one on Wallstreet Bets. So that could affect you that way. Number two, if you are holding a lot of cash right now on hand, then you could probably get into other stocks for a lot cheaper if this does last for at least 2+ days. In regards to the stocks, so what I'm going to go over is go over the chart, show you guys the support resistant levels as well as Fibonacci levels, and show you guys where you guys could buy and sell and put stop losses to mitigate your losses, because I know a lot of people did get killed the first time around. So the first stock we have here is GameStop. Just going to be showing you guys the prices. I'm going to be talking about AMC. I'm going to be talking about Naked. I actually did purchase this one at $1.30. I do own Sndl. I'm holding this one strong, and I do own Blackberry. And I actually got into Blackberry during the day, not knowing about this whole situation that would be happening. I literally just bought it based on the charts, thinking that it bottomed out and it looked like it start going up in the next coming weeks or two, and that's the reason why I bought it. But I'm probably going to be selling out of this one soon, so I'm going to go ahead and go over the stocks. So the first one is Blackberry. As you can see, the chart was looking good. The MACDs was looking to cross over and turn into green, and what happens when this turns green, the stocks are going to start going up, and that's the reason why I bought it. I wasn't really looking at it in terms of the Wallstreet Bets, but this is definitely going to help me out to be able to sell it much sooner than 2 weeks, which I estimated I would hold the stock for. So in regards to the levels, I went ahead and bought it around the $10.30 mark, and I was planning on selling at $14.45, because that is the resistance where it's going to hit and go down. Now, in regards to the stock, if it does break over 14, the next levels you'll see, there's no real support and resistant levels after that. You could probably draw some, like maybe one right here, but there's no real support or resistant levels. You could draw maybe one right here as well. So 16, and then 1935 or 1942, give or take, something like that. So those are the levels that you could draw out, and these are Fibonacci levels where people would most likely buy or sell or take profits. So these are key levels. As you can see right here, it hit once, people were buying right here, or people started buying right here, and then right here was another buy section, and then right here was a area where people started selling off. So that you guys get the point. So I'm going to go ahead over Blackberry. Now I'm going to go ahead and check Naked. Naked, we've made good money off of this before. I've called these areas out before. There was a triangle right here that broke out and hit the top, and that's where I sold and went ahead and bounced back down. And I made another triangle, and I called this out on Twitter on Finance 24/7. I literally said that if this goes ahead and breaks up, we could see a nice take profit. In this area, we could take profits. If this goes down, then this isn't a stock that you'd want to hold. So this was a make or break area, and it did break down. So as long as we could maintain, if you guys want to get in, I bought here at 130. If it could break over 140 and stay, or 136 right here and stay above that, then the next level is 157, and so on and so forth. So let's say, for example, you do break this area right here and you decide to buy, or you've bought here and it goes up to this area. As soon as it breaks down this level with confirmation, then it's time to go ahead and sell and wait until it starts bouncing back over this level. So the next stock we have right here is Sndl. Sndl, we've made a lot of money right here. We've probably like 5-6x their money when I did call it out on Twitter. So right here we're at a key area level. I went ahead and actually bought at that 120 level, not knowing again, but I just found this as a key level. I was going to sell out if we did go ahead and fall down below that level, but if you're looking to buy in, you could buy in here. There might be a little bit of risk if you do buy in here because there's a whole gap down that can happen. If you'd want to probably get in, you might want to get in at these levels just so if it does go down, you could quickly sell at like 165. But if you do decide to buy, the next level to break is 172 and you want to hold this level right here. If it does hold, then the next level is 235. So after that, I went over Naked, I went over Blackberry. So then we have GameStop. These are the levels. So the yellow are weaker support / resistant levels. The orange are the stronger ones. So as you can see, it's the same thing. And as you can see as well here, the MACD's crossed over. So I should have probably bought just looking at the MACD's, but I didn't really look into GameStop as a whole. So then we have AMC. As you can see as well, the MACD's crossed over and turned into green. But these are the same thing for AMC. So if you're going to buy AMC at these levels, just make sure it stays above that $9.83 or $9. And these are going to be your levels of resistance and support levels. Just don't be dumb like last time. Some people bought at that $20 mark, but the $20 mark was a resistance. So if it does hit that $20 mark, I probably wouldn't buy in. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the stocks. If you do have any questions, you guys could definitely hit me up on Twitter, Finance. So like I mentioned, you guys can hit me up on Twitter, Finance. If you guys want some key levels and supports, you could hit me up there. If there's other stocks that you guys want me to check out, let me know in the comments below, and I could definitely go ahead and tweet you guys out or comment down below the support levels and resistant levels of the stock you guys are looking at. But peace out, guys.